Right, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. The only way an audience watching a performance can clearly state that the performer's that complex acting is when all the matrices are involved in the presented theatrical experience. Fiction, sets, plots, fully constructed characters,
Costumes, physical context, and obviously the actor's immersion in the characters, packed with physical and emotional engagement to the events depicted on stage. This relates more to the conventional interpretation of acting, thus making performers actors, and not just performers as in the previous examples of the continuum.
and the Stanislavskian and Shakespearean actors standing on our continuum are primary examples of this. Yeah, and over.